Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Real quick, when I say live, what I mean is I'm recording myself right now in real time, seeing information, seeing the data for the very first time. In other words, I don't know what's coming next. So to honor your time, if you are looking for a video where the person's got hindsight in their favor and they're doing a trading recap or something like that, this won't be a video for you. But if you are open to the idea of an unscripted, nitty-gritty, dirty look into what it's like to be a day trader and how day trading can play out, I'm confident you'll find value in this video. So I will pause the recording software for now, and I'll be back at market open. I have an order at 41 for a put here. I am looking to trade options. I'm not looking to trade options. I am trading options. I'm looking to get filled. If you have no idea what options are, in the comment section, just put options guide or options please, something like that, and I'll send you a link to a free guide I put together called The Big Basics of Options. So options, they can be complicated. Some people make them very complicated, but they can also be approached in a simpler way, and I approach them in a simpler way. So if you're somebody that likes kind of the KISS method, keep it simple, stupid, then I'm confident that guide will help you out quite a bit. So again, like I said, just comment options guide, please, and I will link you to that. So, all right, I'll go ahead and pause, and if the price looks like it might fill me at the contract price, I'll get the video going. All right, I have a new order out there now for a call. So I was trying to play a put. Now I'm trying to play a call again. The terminology might sound foreign, but it's not that complicated. So I'm now at 39.10. So we'll see if this thing wants to, there, oh, it was close for a second. Okay, coming down. Okay, let's go to 37.70 now. All right, I'll pause, but I'll keep a close eye on it. All right, gonna try for a put now at 34.50. So we'll see if the price wants to come up a bit more. All right, I'll pause. All right, gonna try to pick up call here at 39. Well, I tried, it would not fill me, so I'm gonna go to 37.10 now. We'll see if we can just get a break through these lows here. So I tried there, it was not hitting me, was not filling me, so I'm gonna go ahead and, like I said, just move my order down now. I will pause. Okay, let's see if it can come down a bit more. Again, I'm at 37.10. Well, gave it a try. I'm at 36.70 now. Getting close. Nope, that's what I needed. So 36.10 now. All right, I'll pause. Okay, I have my order back there at 37.10. Well, that fast it turned back around, so. All right, never mind on that one too. As you're seeing, it's kind of a little fine tuning here, trying to read if that level does want to act as support. And yeah, seemingly it does, but I was a little too slow to get that order in. But if the price wants to come back down, I'm keeping a close eye on it. I have an order at 38.10. I was close. Let's go to 37.10 now. Oh, so close. Give another try. So close yet so far away. All right, I'll pause. Okay, I have an order at 38. No, I don't like that, because if I get filled, that feels like it's going to require a flush for me to get filled. So I'm canceling that out. Again, in order for me to, yeah, there we go. Okay, in at 36.10. And out for $90 in all of 3 seconds. So that's exactly why I canceled that out. So very happy with that decision there, obviously. But yeah, that was, okay, I need to stop talking. Let's go to 32.10 now. So that was made the decision to change. And yes, that's why, if you're wondering, why do you keep canceling and canceling and canceling? Because you gotta watch the level twos. You gotta watch everything that's going on here. All right, let's cancel that out now. Let's go to 30-10 because this is getting a little violent here. So I'll just err on the side of caution. But that's why. Because if you do it right, you saw literally 90 bucks in all of a very small amount of time. I'll just leave it at that. '06. So, okay, I will pause, but nice trade there. 90 bucks. All right, going to throw an order out here at 41.50, and I'm in there at 41.50. See if it wants to come back down. And out for $100 there. So I had to sit through a little bit, but never broke any sort of key levels. So I had no need to panic out. And yeah, instead of going for a $50 sniper shot, which you longer time viewers have seen, or even a $90 one, I felt good at the $100 mark. And it worked out just fine. Okay, I will pause. I will say I want to be done today by 11 Eastern. So it's 10:20 right now. So I still have 40 minutes. But I mean, even if I'm going to definitely get picky here because I mean, think about it. Even if I take no more trades, I'm up with commissions. I don't know, let's call it 185 bucks for 90 minutes as I sit here in my bathrobe. Not too bad, especially when this is just a side hustle for myself. But, you know, I don't want to be chained to my computer all day long. So I'll give myself another, like I said, 40-ish minutes and we'll see what happens. I will pause. Oh, I kid you not. I realize this doesn't mean a whole lot to you, but if you do want to just trust me, I had that line in place and I just got distracted. I was looking at my phone and had a voicemail. But anyways, look at that. Power of charts. So I don't say this to brag about myself, but like I said, I understand, Clay, whatever. You just put that line there and then you hit record. Fair enough. But like I said, if you want to just trust me that I really did actually have that line there, I mean, check that out. Price came up there and just beautifully right off that area, but I missed it. But if it does want to come up some more, then maybe give another try up there around 415.60. So so about 34.10 throughout my order. But anyway, just had to share that with you. I got about 18 minutes left, so I will go ahead and pause. Have an order at 33.70 and I'm in at 33.70. Let's see what it wants to do here. Let's try for one here at 31.50. Got that. See if it wants to pull back a bit more. So just watching right now. Got one at 30.50. All right, I will pause for now and I'll keep you updated. We have an order at 43.70 here for a call. I know there's a jump in the video and I'll explain that here in a few moments, but I need to stay focused on this right now. So again, I'm at 43.70. All right, I'll pause. Okay, I'm at 43.70 here. In at 43.70 for a call. Getting in at 43.70 for a call. And out for $50 there. All right, now let me do some explaining. All right, so before that most recent trade, you saw me building a position, and then I paused it to say, let's see what happens, and then did not record anymore. In fact, I stopped the video. So this is actually a second video spliced in, and it's also 12:13, but I want to get one more trade in. I know I said I wanted to be done by 11, and I broke that rule, but like I said, I want to get another trade here to kind of bookend things here a little bit. But anyway, so this was a move that, you know, I built the position in, and to give a little bit more context, you know, I finally had my stop loss location very clear. Pink line up there, 200 period moving average, and you always want to give things wiggle room, so you can see twice the price both there and there. Came up through that level, but again, wiggle room is important. So it never took me out, but I was right there. I mean, it was at this moment in time, it was just a question of, did this thing want to continue on up? And if so, well, then it was going to be a loss, and one of those losses that are not very pleasant, but that's not what happened. Price came down, and I was able to scale out, which I don't know exactly how much. I can't remember. So I think I might have already traded that one before. So maybe $500-ish I actually made on it. I don't remember. I'd have to go back and look. But so that was a trade right there, where again, build the position. So position building, I can't remember exactly where. Stop loss up around this area, and then got the pullback here. Now, in total hindsight, I should have hung on to some, because it just kept reversing and reversing and reversing. But you know, at that time, you know, I wish I was that good to think that, to know how big of a pullback and potential reversal might be. So yeah, not only was it a pullback, it was just a flat out reversal, as the price is now all the way down here where you just saw me take that second trade. So I do apologize for that, but I wanted to at least go into a little bit more of a deeper dive into what was going on with the trade, where the stop loss was, all that sort of stuff, so you can see kind of how that all played out. And now it's just a question of, do I want to try to play this again if it comes down through these lows? Again, it's beyond 11. I wanted to, so do I take another? I mean, I'm here. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and pause. And if this thing wants to come down through this area here, then I am potentially, let me just double check. Yeah, 39.70. So yeah, I'll go ahead and pause, and if we can get a nice snap down below these that blue line here within the next several minutes, then I'll take another trade. But I'll pause for now. Okay, maybe here, getting close. Oh, that's what I wanted. So now I need to go down to 39.10. All right, I'll pause. Okay, maybe here. And then I'm at 39.10. That was the move though, so let's go to 38.50 now. That was once again the move. So we'll go to 38.10. In. And out for another $50 there. Very good. And if this move wants to continue, I will be ready for it. So let's now go, oops, not 34, or 34.10. So double checking. Yeah, 34.10. I will go ahead and pause. All right, at this point with the bounce, I am going to go ahead and just move on with my day. So I'm glad. That makes me feel better. Got 2 trades actually to bookend this. So before, because you can actually see right here, when I got out of that bigger trade, it was 10:55. So it actually still worked out just fine. 5 minutes, or actually, well, 4 minutes to spare before 11. And then you saw these next trades right here all play out. At that point though, I was up 670. So it was 670 in about 90-ish minutes, which not too bad. As far as a side hustle is concerned, I'm not going to complain about that. I don't know many places in the world as a side hustle where you can make, you know, 670 bucks. Again, with commissions, let's call it 650 bucks in 90 minutes. And then you saw me add on a couple more quick sniper shots there. But also, as always, yeah, this is an amazing side hustle. Yes, you can make, at least for me, quality amounts of money. I don't know how you define quote unquote quality amounts of money in certain periods of time. But for me as a side hustle, this is quality money. But it is challenging. It's hard. There are no guarantees that you're going to make money. So you got to keep that in mind too. None of this happens overnight. You don't just go and buy some sort of magical pill strategy. You know, there's not like a trading bot out there that's going to do all this for you. If only it were that easy. So it does require a lot of dedication. It does require blood, sweat, and tears. But you know, for those that kind of have a passion for this sort of stuff, there is some good, solid potential. At least for me. Like I said, maybe you look at these results and say, no, that's not worth the effort. That's not worth the time. And fair enough. What do you do for a living though, where this would not be worth your time? Again, I'm not jealous of you. I'm excited for you, but I'm just curious, like, what do you do for work where you would say, nah, not worth it? Because that's very motivated on your part, like to, you know, iron sharpens iron. But that's all I have for you. So, if you enjoy these live trade videos, hit that like button, leave a comment down below. And yes, I guess I turned out to be a liar today because I said I'd be done at 11 and then here I am at 12:23 and I'm still here, but it is what it is. So everybody, thanks for watching. Take care. Have a good one. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.